students, in previous classes we have studied the methods to evaluate the given integral. So first exercise based on the standard formula we have evaluated, and the second and third exercises are on the processes of substitution, integration by substitution method and integration by part. This by parts is particularly useful when the integral contains the product of two functions and the first function is chosen in such a way that phrase isolate inverse, logarithmic, algebraic, trigonometric and exponential function. So let us discuss some more methods how to solve the given integral. So the next one is evaluation of the integral of the form 1 by square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx, or 1 by ax square plus bx plus c dx, or square root of ax square plus bx plus c dx, where a, b, c belongs to the real number system, real numbers with a not equals to 0. So all that we need to do is to convert the given quadratic expression in the completion of square method. So which will be discussed by an example now. For example, integral of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square dx. So let us see how to evaluate this integral. So first and foremost, the given integral contains the quadratic expression x square, x and constant, ax square plus bx plus c. So first let us try to write in a proper order. First of all, x square, x and constant. So this is square root of minus 3x square plus 8x plus 3 dx. After this, so x square symbol should be positive, x square sign should be positive, and x square quotient should be 1. So in order to do that, so here x square symbol, x square sign is negative here. So taking negative, then the x square symbol should be will be automatically positive. That is point number 1. And x square quotient is 3 here. So if you take 3 as a common, then we will get x square quotient to be 1. So what I mean to say is, taking minus 3 as a common, then it will be x square minus 8 by 3x minus 1 dx. So minus 3x square, minus into minus plus, 3 gets cancelled, 8x, minus into minus plus, so 3 ones are 3 dx. So given integral we have written in this way. Now, so this is equals to integral of, so root 3 I will write outside the root. So here root 3 into, so minus is there in the square root itself. So here we need to convert this into a square minus 2ab plus b square type. So a minus b whole square we have to convert this. So how? So I am writing this as, see here, x square minus 8 by 3x minus 1 can be written as this is equals to x whole square minus 2 into 4 by 3 into x. So 8 by 3x I have written it to be x square, 8 by 3x is 2 into 4 by 3 into x. So minus is here, 8x by 3 is 2 4s are 8x by 3. Now this is a square minus 2ab, therefore, or 2ba, this is 2x into 4 by 3 a square minus 2ab. So to convert this into a plus b whole square, a square minus 2ab plus b square is what we require. So plus 4 by 3 whole square. Now it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here plus 4 by 3 whole square is not here. Therefore I have added and I will automatically subtract it as well. 4 by 3 whole square. This minus 1 is same. X square is this and minus 1 is this. So this minus 8 by 3x I have written it to be minus 2 into x into 4 by 3, which is 2 4s are 8 by 3x as a whole. So here this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Therefore a is x here and b is 4 by 3 here. So this is a square minus 2ab plus b square. I want minus b square, so that this and this gets cancelled. We are left with x square minus 8 by 3x minus 1 only. Now this is a square minus 2ab plus b square is a minus b whole square. So this is x minus 4 by 3 whole square. This minus this is 4 by 3 whole square is 16 by 9 minus 1. So this is x minus 4 by 3 whole square minus 9 ones are 9 minus 9 minus 16 is minus 25 by 9. So 25 by 9 can be written as 5 by 3 whole square. So here inside x square minus 8 by 3x minus 1, this can be written as this. This is x minus 4 by 3 whole square minus 5 by 3 whole square. So this is equals to, so the shortcut, if you understand this concept it is okay, otherwise the shortcut of writing this directly is, see here x square minus 8 by 3x minus 1 is equals to x square, you write x, here if it is minus is there you write minus, here x quotient is 8 by 3, half of it we require, so 8 by 3 into 1 by 2, so 4 by 3, this 4 by 3 you write here, complete the square, outside we have to write minus always, so whatever you have written here, its square is to be written here, 4 by 3 whole square is 16 by 3 square 9, minus 1 is same. Again had it been plus, then actually we write here plus only, and this is everything is same. So x square minus 8 by 3x minus 1 is x minus 4 by 3 whole square minus 16 by 9 minus 1 is minus 25 by 9. Directly 5 by 3 whole square we can write here. Now let us proceed from here. Dx, this is equals to root 3 into integral of this minus, inside you multiply, minus into minus plus, so 5 by 3 whole square minus into this is plus, so minus into plus is minus x minus 4 by 3 whole square dx. So this is of the form integral root of a square minus x square dx. We know what is integral root of a square minus x square dx. So three formulae we have discussed before. So x by 2 a square by 2 formula also we have discussed. So we have coined a name x by 2 a square by 2 formula. So root of a square minus x square dx is x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. So same here we have to write. So x by 2, x is how much here? X minus 4 by 3 by 2. X by 2 root of whatever that is here we have to write here 5 by 3 whole square minus of x minus 4 by 3 whole square plus a square by 2. A here is 5 by 3 whole square. This is a square by 2 sine inverse x by a. X is x minus 4 by 3 by a is 5 by 3. Because this is a square minus this is of x square dx. So we have applied a formula, integral of a square minus x square dx is x by 2 root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 sine inverse x by a plus c. So in the place of x we have x minus 4 by 3. So x minus 4 by 3 by 2. So root of a square minus x square came again. So in the place of this it will come plus a square by 2. Here in the place of a, 5 by 3 is what we have. So a square is 5 by 3 whole square by 2 sine inverse x by a. What is x here? X minus 4 by 3 by a is 5 by 3 plus constant of integration c. So this is what we have got earlier. Now this is 3x minus 4 by 3 by 2, 3 2s are 6. Now root 3 into this. So root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square, we have written 3 plus 8x minus 3x square, we have written to be root 3 into this. Root 3 into this. So can we write root 3 into this to be root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square? So root 3 into this is equals to square root of 3 plus 8x minus 3x square plus, so here 3x minus 4 by 3 by 2. So 3 2s are 6. So this is equals to this. Root 3 into this is this. Now, so 5 by 3 whole square is 25 by 3 square, 3 square 16 by 2 into root 3. This root 3 will be multiplied with this. So root 3 into, so here 25 by 16 to the 48 into sine inverse of 3x minus 4 by 3 by 5 by 3. So 3 gets cancelled by 5 plus constant of integration c. So this is how we will evaluate the integral of the form integral 1 by root of ax square plus bx plus c dx or root of ax square plus bx plus c dx. So whenever you see the quadratic expression, so we can complete the square method and whatever the formula that we have learned before. So three formulae, that is integral root of a square minus x square dx, integral root of a square plus x square dx, integral root of x square minus a square dx, or the sixth formula we have learnt, integral 1 by root of a square minus x square dx, 1 by root of a square plus x square dx, 1 by root of x square minus a square dx, 1 by a square plus x square dx, 1 by a square minus x square dx, and 1 by x square minus a square dx. So 6 plus 3 totally 9 formulas. So first we need to complete the square, and then actually it the formula that we have learned before, totally 6 plus 3 9 formula will be applicable here. Now let us discuss how to evaluate the integral of the form integral ax plus b by px square plus qx plus r dx, or integral ax plus b by square root of px square plus qx plus r dx, or ax plus b into square root of px square plus qx plus r dx, where a, b, p, q, r belongs to the real numbers with a not equals to 0 and p not equals to 0. So you may understand this in the way that ax plus b is a linear expression and px square plus qx plus r is a quadratic expression. So if the integral is the combination of a linear as well as a quadratic expression, then how do we solve? Let us see here. So for example, the working rule for this is ax plus b is equals to a into d by dx of px square plus qx plus r plus b, where a comma b are constants to be evaluated. So this is the working rule to evaluate the integral which is in the combination of a linear as well as a quadratic expression. So here you may understand this, you may remember this to be linear expression is equals to a into d by dx of quadratic expression plus b. Here linear expression is ax plus b, quadratic expression is px square plus qx plus r. So let us emulate by taking one example. So evaluate 3x minus 2 into square root of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx. If you see here, this integral is the combination of linear and a quadratic expression. So how do we solve? So linear expression 3x minus 2 is equals to a into d by dx of a quadratic expression without root. So with or without root, we need to take without root only. So 2x square minus x plus 1 plus b. A into 2 into x square derivative is 2x. 2 into 2 4x minus d by dx of x is 1. D by dx of 1 is 0. So 4x minus 1 plus b. This is equals to 3x minus 2. Now comparing coefficient of x on both sides. So here x coefficient in the LHS is 3. This is equals to x quotient is 4 into a, 4a. From this a is equals to 3 by 4. Now comparing constants on both sides. Here constant is minus 2 is equals to minus 1 into a minus a plus b is the constant here. So this is minus 2 plus a is equals to b. From this b is equals to minus 2 plus a is 3 by 4. So 4 2s are minus 8. Minus 8 plus 3 is minus 5 by 4. So this is equals to 3x minus 2 is equals to, the value of a is 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 into 4x minus 1 plus b value is minus 5 by 4. Now let us continue. 3x minus 2, just now we have got it to be 3 by 4 into 4x minus 1 minus 5 by 4. In the place of 3x minus 2, we have substituted this. Integral, in the place of integral we got root of 2x square minus x plus 1. Same, in that place it came again dx. Now this is equals to a minus b into c. ac minus bc integral dx. Integral is to be distributed for both of them. So 3 by 4, since it is a process, the constant of constant, let us separate it from the process of integration. Integral 4x minus 1 into square root of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx minus 5 by 4 integral square root of 2x square minus x plus 1 dx. So this is equals to 3 by 4 2x square minus x plus 1. Let us see the derivative of this. 2x square derivative is 4x, x derivative is 1. So it is of the form root f of x into f dash x dx. What is the integral root of f of x into f dash x dx? 2 by 3 into f of x whole power 3 by 2. That's what we have seen in the results. So 2 by 3 into what is f of x in both of them? This. 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2, because this is our f of x. If this is f of x, its f dash x is 2 into x square derivative is 2x, 2 to the 4x, x derivative is 1. So 4x minus 1. This is f dash x. So integral root f of x into f dash x dx is 2 by 3 into f of x whole power 3 by 2. If you don't know this, then so prefer the conventional method of taking this to be whichever is under root is t square, and subsequently you will get it. Minus 5 by 4. Listen, again this is a pure quadratic expression. So before we discuss this method, so we have discussed about the quadratic expression, completion of square method. So here x square sign is obviously positive, therefore we need not take minus as a common, but x square coefficient is 2, which if you take it as a common, then x square coefficient will automatically become 1. So let us do that. So 2 into x square minus x by 2 plus 1 by 2 dx. So 2 times 3 gets cancelled. This is equals to 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 minus 5 by 4 integral 2 into, so here again it is a square minus 2ab plus b square type. So we have to convert this into a minus b whole square. What the trick we have discussed before? X square is there, write x. Minus is there, write minus. So x coefficient is 1 by 2. So half of it into 1 by 2. So 1 by 4. Now complete the square. Minus outside we have to write minus only. So 1 by 4 whole square is 1 by 16 plus 1 by 2 is as usual dx. This is equals to 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 5 by 4 into integral of root of 2 into, otherwise this root 2 if you write it outside, then this is x minus 1 by 4 whole square. 16 to LCM is 16. 16 is LCM. So 16 by 16 1. So minus 1 plus 16 by 2 is 8. 8 ones are 8. So this is 8 minus 1. So 7 by 16. 7 by 16 can be written as root 7 by 4 whole square dx. So 1 by 2, 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 minus 5 by 4 into root 2 into square root of x minus 1 by 4 whole square. So this is equals to integral root of a square plus x square dx, x by 2 root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2 sin h inverse x by a, or log mod x plus square root of x square plus a square. So one of these two formula we can use. So x by 2 is x minus 1 by 4 by 2 root of x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus root 7 by 4 whole square. So this is x by 2 root of a square plus x square plus a square by 2. A is root 7 by 4, whole square is a square. So 7 by 4 square is 16. A square by 2 sin h inverse x by a. X is x minus 1 by 4 by a is root 7 by 4 plus constant of integration c. So bracket close. This is equals to 1 by 2 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 minus 5 by 4 root 2. This is 4x minus 1 by 4, 4 2s are 8 into, so root 2 if you take it inside, then it will be this, it will be this, and it will be this 2x square minus x plus 1. So this is root 2. If you bring it inside, then root 2 into x minus 1 by 4 whole square plus root 7 by 4 whole square is altogether root of 2x square minus x plus 1. So 4x minus 1 by 4 2s are 8 into square root of 2x square minus x plus 1 plus. So this is 7 by 16 2s are 48, 32 into 5 by 4 into root 2. So 32 is 16 2s. So this is 16 root 2. Sin h inverse. This is 4x minus 1 by 4 by root 7 by 4. So 4 gets cancelled, root 7 plus constant of integration c. Therefore the final answer is 1 by 2 into 2x square minus x plus 1 whole power 3 by 2 minus 5 by 4 8s are 32 into 4x minus 1 into square root of 2x square minus x plus 1 plus 7 5s are 35 by 16 4 64 root 2 sin h inverse 4x minus 1 by root 7 plus constant of integration c. So we have seen the combination of a linear and quadratic expression. The how to evaluate the integral when the integral contains the combination of linear as well as quadratic expression. But what if the case of 1 by ax plus b into square root of px square plus qx plus r dx. Here also you have a linear and a quadratic expression, but this kind of a particular situation we did not discuss before. So how do you solve this? Simply taking let ax plus b linear expression is equals to, instead of t square, 1 by t we need to take and proceed. We can get the solution for this. So let us do this. Evaluate integral of 1 by 1 plus x into square root of 3 plus 2x minus x square dx on minus 1 to 3. So this particular problem we have in 6D exercise 3rd Roman. So 6th question. So let us do this. So here it is clearly the combination of linear as well as quadratic, but so the positions of them are in the denominator. So let, what is the linear expression among these two? 1 plus x. So let 1 plus x is equals to 1 by t. So differentiate. Dx is equals to minus 1 by t square dt. So this is equals to, from this x is equals to 1 by t minus 1. So this is 1 minus t by t. So this implies 1 by, in the place of 1 plus x, substitute 1 by t into square root of 3 plus 2 into, in the place of x, substitute 1 minus t by t minus x square is 1 minus t by t whole square. So this is equals to, and dx is equals to minus 1 by t square dt into minus 1 by t square dt. This is equals to, so minus I am writing outside, so 1 by t square dt by, so this is equals to 1 by t into, here this is t and this is t square, so t square is the LCM. So this is 3t square plus t square by t is t, so 2t into 1 minus t, so 2t minus 2t into t, 2t square minus of, so this is 1 minus t whole square by t square. So t square gets cancelled. I am finding out the LCM here. So we are left with 1 minus t whole square. This is 1 square plus t square minus 2t. This is equals to minus, I am writing outside, 1 by t square dt by this is 1 by t into this is 3t square. This, if you simplify, 3t square plus 2t minus 2t square minus 1 minus t square plus 2t. With minus I have multiplied it inside. So minus 2t square minus t square is minus 3t square plus 3t square gets cancelled. So 2t plus 2t is 4t, 4t minus 1. So 4t minus 1 by root t square is t. So t into t is t square. That t square, the t square gets cancelled. Again I am telling you, 1 by t is outside. So this on simplification we get root 4t minus 1 by root t square is t. Root of t square root gets cancelled. T into t, t square. This t square and the numerator t square gets cancelled. So we left with this. So this is equals to minus 1 by root of 4t minus 1 dt. So since this is a linear expression, we can treat it as root x. Integral 1 by root x is 2 root x. So minus 2 root of 4t minus 1 by d by dt of 4t. So the coefficient of t is 4. We have to divide. Plus constant of integration c. So 2 times minus 1 by 2 into 4 into the value of t is 1 plus x is 1 by t, where t is equals to 1 by 1 plus x. So in the place of t, 1 by 1 plus x minus 1 plus c. So this is minus 1 by 2 into 4. The LCM is 1 plus x minus 1 minus x. So the final answer is minus 1 by 2 into 4 minus 1 is 3 minus x by 1 plus x plus constant of integration c. So here 1 plus x, so 1 plus x by 1 plus x is 1 into 4 ones are 4. So 4 plus x into 1. So 1 into 1 plus x is 1 plus x. So this is what I have written here. So 4 minus 1 minus x. So minus 1 by 2 into square root of 3 minus x by 1 plus x plus c. So this is how we will evaluate the integral where the linear as well as quadratic expression are in the denominator. So linear expression we have to take it as 1 by t, then the whole process we can automatically do it. Now let us evaluate the integral which is of the form integral 1 by a plus b cos x dx or 1 by a plus b sin x dx or 1 by a sin x plus b cos x plus c dx, where a comma b comma c belongs to R. For here b not equals to 0. So in the numerator it should be 1. In the denominator, combination of the trigonometric function sin and cos. So here the denominator contains cos, here denominator contains sin, or both of them. So to solve this, let us take tan x by 2 is equals to t. Let tan x by 2 is equals to t. Now differentiate. Let us take it as x. What is d by dx of tan x? Secant square x. So secant square in the place of x, x by 2 into, since this is taken to be x, we need to differentiate it later on. So into d by dx of x by 2 is 1 by 2 dx is equals to dt. Now this is equals to dx is equals to 1 by 2 if you transpose on another side 2 dt by this secant square x by 2 is multiplying, it would be dividing. So secant square x by 2. So 2 dt by, we have secant square theta minus tan square theta is 1, or secant square x by 2 minus tan square x by 2 is equals to 1. So secant square x by 2 is 1 plus tan square x by 2. So this is 1 plus tan square t by 2. So 2 dt by, this is tan square t by 2 is tan t by 2 whole square. So 1 plus tan t by 2 is, sorry, tan x by 2 is this. Tan square x by 2 is tan x by 2 whole square. Tan x by 2 is t. So t square. Now we know sin theta in terms of tan theta and cos theta in terms of tan theta. So what is sin 2 theta? Sin 2 theta in terms of tan theta is 2 tan theta by 1 plus tan square theta. Then what is sin theta? 2 tan theta by 2 by 1 plus tan square theta by 2. So here sin x is equals to 2 tan x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So this is 2. Tan x by 2 we have treated it to be t. So 2t by 1 plus t square. And cos x also we know in trigonometric multiple and submultiple angles in the first year. So cos x is having many formulae: cos square x minus sin square x, 2 cos square x minus 1, 1 minus 2 sin square x, and 1 minus tan square x by 1 plus tan square x, cos 2x equals to. Then what is cos x? 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So cos x is 1 minus tan square x by 2 by 1 plus tan square x by 2. So this is 1 minus t square by 1 plus t square. So all this as well as dx, all of them, if you substitute in the given function, given integral, then it will be converted into the quadratic expression. So we know how to complete the square method, which we have discussed in the beginning of this video. Let us evaluate the integral, which is of the form integral a sin x plus b cos x by c sin x plus d cos x dx, where a, b, c, d are real numbers with c not equals to 0 and d not equals to 0. So the working rule to solve this is simply numerator is equals to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator, that is a sin x plus b cos x is equals to a into d by dx of c sin x plus b cos x plus b into, simply without derivative, so c sin x plus d cos x. Or it may even be of the form integral a sin x plus b cos x plus c by d sin x plus e cos x plus f dx, where a, b, c, d, e, f are real numbers with d comma e not equals to 0. So here also the working rule is same as above, but some c will be additionally added or k will be additionally added. What is the c? Not the c which we have we will add at the end of the answer. It's not the constant of integration but another constant. So here numerator is equals to a into d by dx of denominator plus b into denominator plus c again I'm telling you, not the C which we kept on adding at the end of the answer. So A, B are the constant and C is also the constants are to be evaluated and proceed further. Thank you.